Hello, Tether. Pretty girl. We're calling her Tether, but that's not her real name, is it? No, you had a name that your mommy or your daddy gave you. They loved you a lot because when you were found, you had a beautiful hand-beaded necklace on, didn't you? Huh? Does anybody recognize this pretty girl from Milford? 'Cause I think I have a feeling that somebody is missing her. So Tether is an adoptable cat. she's chasing this laser light. I don't know if it picks up on the video, but she's having a grand time with it. Go get it, Tether. She's an adoptable cat from the Animal Rescue League of New Hampshire. She's waiting for her forever home at PetSmart in Nashua, over near Target, off Route 101A. She is very sweet. I was just holding her on my lap, and she didn't seem to be minding that at all. And she loves this laser light. I figure she's about 5 years old, but she has a lot of kitten ways about her. And you got big feet, don't you, girl? Oh, I just something right on you. You gonna go get it? Those big feet should be able to stamp that little laser light off. Tether, you're so cute. Pretty girl, too.
She likes other cats.
Hmm?
She likes other cats.
What'd you say?
She likes other cats.
Oh, she likes other cats. Well, I'd say have everything going for you. You got it all, except a home. And it gets awful lonely here when the volunteers leave, don't they? Doesn't it? Yeah, you would love to be in a home. You stand over that by that door and meow, don't you? Say, let me out. I want to go home. Oh my goodness, you are just a bundle of energy, Tether. You get that little laser light, huh? Well, I hope whoever adopts you has a laser light that they can have fun with you like this, because you obviously enjoy that. I'm going to say goodbye now, Tether. Bye-bye, pretty girl. Oh my goodness. Oh, the light's behind you. There it is. There, you get it, girl, with those big paws. Bye-bye, sweetheart.